Welcome to this tutorial, The Secret to Creating a Faceless YouTube Channel. Hi, my name is Dwayne from Tube Money. On this channel I explore the most effective methods to make money online. Feel free to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Your support is genuinely valued. If you have any feedback or inquiries, kindly share your thoughts in the comments section below. Additionally, make sure to stay tuned until the conclusion of this video, where I'll unveil my carefully curated list of the top 10 profitable niches. Now, let's get straight into the video, The Secret to Creating a Faceless YouTube Channel, Choosing a Niche. Start by taking some time for self-reflection. Ask yourself the following questions. What are your passions and interests? What activities do you genuinely enjoy? What are your hobbies or pastimes that you find yourself naturally gravitating towards? What topics or subjects do you enjoy reading, learning, or talking about? What skills or knowledge do you possess that others might find valuable? Make a list of your skills and areas of expertise. Research the market to identify areas where there is demand for products, services, or information. Create a YouTube channel with a Google account. You have the ability to view, appreciate, and follow channels on YouTube. I've included a link to the Google Help site below, where you can find the essential steps to set up your channel. Channel art and logo begin by uploading channel art and a logo that are closely aligned with your chosen niche. Utilize Canva for custom artwork. Canva is an excellent tool for designing custom channel art and logos. Be sure to click on the link I have provided at the bottom of this video that will take you straight to the Canva website. Setting up your channel. To personalize and enhance your channel's appearance and functionality, follow these steps. Start by clicking on the Customize Channel option. Begin by crafting a compelling and informative channel description. Next, consider adding links to your various social media profiles. Don't forget to include your contact information. Explore and enable the channel customization features provided by the platform. Content creation tips. Producing exceptional content involves a multifaceted approach that combines creativity, strategic thinking, and audience engagement. Be sure to conduct thorough research and gain a good understanding of your audience. Develop a comprehensive content strategy that outlines your goals, content themes, and posting schedule. Identify the unique value you can provide to your audience. Your content should solve problems, answer questions, or entertain in a way that distinguishes your brand from competitors. Generate a consistent stream of content ideas by brainstorming, monitoring industry trends, and staying updated on current events. Prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to produce fewer pieces of content that are exceptionally well crafted than to churn out mediocre content. Craft compelling narratives that captivate your audience's attention. Your content should have a clear beginning, middle, and end, with a strong central message that resonates with your viewers. Implement SEO strategies to ensure your content ranks well in search engine results. Maintain a consistent brand identity throughout your content. This includes using consistent fonts, colors, logos, and messaging. Actively engage with your audience through comments, social media, and feedback channels. Regularly analyze the performance of your content using analytics tools. Ensure that your content adheres to ethical guidelines and legal regulations, including copyright and privacy laws. Video, SEO, and promotion. To enhance the visibility and reach of your videos on various online platforms, it's crucial to employ a multifaceted approach. Begin by conducting thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and trending keywords in your niche. I highly recommend vidIQ, Google Keyword Planner, and YouTube search suggestions to find the best keywords for your particular channel and videos. Craft compelling video titles that incorporate your target keywords naturally. Write informative and detailed video descriptions that provide context about your content. Include relevant keywords, but ensure it reads naturally and is user-friendly. Be sure to check out the link I have provided below to vidIQ. Utilize tags that are pertinent to your video's content. Fill out all available metadata fields, including categories and captions. Encourage viewers to leave feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Share your videos on various social media platforms and actively interact with your audience there. Maintain a consistent uploading schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed about when to expect new content. Monetization and analytics. To meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 watch hours on your channel within the past 12 months. Actively promote your YouTube channel on social media platforms, your website or blog, and through collaborations with other YouTubers. 4. Once you've met the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours threshold, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Bonus, Top 10 Niches That Make Money. Here are my top 10 niche recommendations for generating income. Take the time to explore each of these niches to identify the ones that resonate with your passions, expertise, and abilities. Technology, movies, celebrity, health and fitness, science, mystery, paranormal, gaming, life hacks, make money online. Congratulations. You've learned how to create a faceless YouTube channel. Good luck with your YouTube journey. If you're eager to expand your knowledge, I recommend attending Matt Parr's free training on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. You can find a direct link in the comments section below. Please click the link to access more details about this valuable free training session. I hope that you've derived substantial value from watching this video, The Secret to Creating a Faceless YouTube Channel. If you have any feedback or inquiries, kindly share your thoughts in the comments section below. Feel free to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Your support is genuinely valued. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.